how you brush Marco's hair?
Oh,
Where's the brush?
you brush his hair now?
Here's the brush.
See.
Show Nana how you
You're
brush
such a
it.
good sister. Does he like it?
Yeah.
He doesn't cry when you brush his hair?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good
Sometimes
sister.
Marco's
Wow.
eyes. Marco's eyes is something.
Sometimes Marco cries to tell us something.
Oh, that's right. If he has a dirty diaper or something, does he cry?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's smart.
Marco is a sock.
Is Sophie get in the crib?
Oh.
Is Sophie getting in the crib?
Where is Sophie,
Okay.
Lucia?
Oh, Lucia, I went to a Christmas tree shop yesterday and I bought you some stuff.
My hairbrush.
Huh?
Nana got you something for Halloween. What
I
did she
got
get
something
you?
for your pumpkins.
What did she get you?
Put on your pumpkin so you don't have to carve any. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
Look.
And what's
Is that your
Marco?
duck?
And what's Marco going to be?
A froggy, Nana.
He's going to be a frog?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute! Can I give him froggy food?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you duck food.
What are
What
frogs
do
eat?
ducks eat? What do ducks eat? Bread?
They eat crumbs?
Yeah.
She said they eat crumbs.
Oh, they cry. Wow. I'm going to go buy some crumbs today. And maybe you can sit in the swimming pool.
Don't scream, honey. That's too loud. Can you give Marco a hug?
Oh, my God.
Oh, huggy. She's giving Marco a hug. Whoa. Give him a hug again. And a kiss on the head. Yay. Don't hurt him, though. Oh, he's coughing.
Oh, they